Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use split screen feature on MacBook Air M4. In order to use the split screen feature, we have to open at least a couple different applications at once. So for example, I'm gonna open the calendar, the notes, the Apple Music, and now in order to place all of them on the same screen, you have to hover your cursor over the green icon in the top left corner of one of the windows, and then select in fill and arrange section. You're gonna have to select one of the placements depending on how many applications you want to place on the screen. If you want to place 2 different applications, you have to use this option. For 3 applications, use this one, and for 4 different applications, go with the last option. I opened 3 applications, so I'm gonna use this option right here. And this way the computer places 3 applications on the same screen. You can change the each window's size by moving the sides and the corners of it. And basically that's how you enable the split screen view on MacBooks. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.